Hi everybody, welcome back to another airbrushing a small portrait. We're going to be doing Tupac in this one. I've got a image there that we're going to work from. We're working on a credit size card size piece of paper. Got a little bit of gesso on it, so we're going to use that. Airbrush is the Evo 2024 by Harder and Steenbeck. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick one of these brushes up. Highly recommend it, guys. Very good on detail. They are really, really good. If you own one of the original ones and you're wondering what they're like, leaps and bounds better. They really are. When it comes to comfort, control, the flow that it gives, they're just spot on. So we're using that. The paint mix, I've got some Wicked mixed with isopropyl alcohol and a drop of water, a couple of drops of water, thinned down nice. As you can see on the previous one, I've done a little test out on this side, just see how it's flowing. I've got a very faint outline on some key points of this portrait, like where the eyes are, where the mouth is, little pieces just to give me some guidance and work round. So enjoy the time lapse. I'll see you at the end and we will zoom in and show you the finished portrait. See you in a bit. So there you go, guys. In that little time lapse, you see me just working nice and light and just building it up. Moving to the side, a little bit of tip dry now and again where you just sort of just got to really clean the needle, any build up at all, and you're going to get an off spray pattern when you're working on something really small. But we got it down, quite a simple type piece. It's got like the head sort of bandana piece on, a little bit of the chain coming down with the cross. Not bad one. I prefer the Mike Tyson one, that came out better. But as I say, we are practicing at this because I'm not used to doing this. This is like my 5th one now. So they're sort of getting better as we go along, bit of progression. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, drop your comments, tell me your thoughts on the mini portrait series I'm doing. I'll give you a little closer look and I'll see you in the next one.